In this video, I'll show you how I use TubeBuddy on my YouTube channel. So as you can see right now, we are on the home page of my channel. I do have the TubeBuddy Chrome extension installed. On this page, you can see it. I have it, well, it automatically shows up to show my real-time subscribers. On this page, I have currently almost 2,000 views on this channel and 56 videos. Next, you can compare stats. So right now it's just showing for myself. You can do views in the last 30 days. You can also do videos in the last 30 days. I'm going to show you how this feature looks when you're comparing two channels. So blue is the channel you're watching now, and red is my travel channel. As you can see, subscribers in the last 30 days, it tells me how many I've subscribed and how many the travel channel has had subscribed. So on March 23rd, I had 21 subscribers on my Grow with Lady channel and only 1 on my travel channel, which makes sense because I am posting more often to the Grow with Lady YouTube channel. Next, we can compare our views. And views, this is when I started my channel. As you can see, I got 260 views on that day, but they're pretty similar for the rest. And videos, definitely going to have more for the channel you're watching now because I am posting 1 video a day. But you can see these are the live stats. This channel has 1,700 views and only 6 videos. You can check how you're comparing to other channels. I wouldn't use this too much. I really just use it to check myself against myself for my own channels. But you want to make sure not to get too caught up into analyzing other people's work and focusing more on building your own. Now we are in YouTube Studio. So let's go to our videos. If I click on, let's do the YouTube subscribe button. If you haven't watched this video already, make sure to either watch this video or go to the video I did right before this one on TubeBuddy so that you can figure out how to get a subscribe button for your channel. It's super easy and you can totally do it. Because I have TubeBuddy installed, there's a couple of things that I can do. One thing that I like is this tag tool. What I've done is I've created a list of tags, so you can copy your tags from here and put them into another video. If you don't like the order of things, you can click sort and drag and drop where you want different tags. There you go. So now quick subscribe link is first. So you can apply and close, and then it'll rearrange your tags, pop them right back in there in the order you want. So if you feel like tags are too close or you want certain tags first, you can do that. They also give you suggested tags. So if we click on that, we can see there's only a limited amount of suggested tags. If you do have the paid version, you can see it says only 5 of 37 are shown. If you do go ahead and purchase the TubeBuddy, then you can see more, or you can upgrade your license. If you want to get TubeBuddy for free or paid or upgrade, definitely click the link below and you can get access straight to it right there. So you can see if I wanted to, I could just click this plus button, subscribe button, and add it to my video. And when you have that check mark, tag has been inserted. So super easy. These are for the video and these are for my channel. Next is Keyword Explorer. You can type in a keyword, so let's say YouTube tips. And it's telling you right here that that's not the greatest keyword to use in your video. It tells you it has decent search volume, but there's a ton of competition. But being able to optimize it is good, but I think because of the competition, it's not all that great. So it says you can do YouTube tips and tricks. Let's see what that one gives. Let's explore that. Oh, let's say tips and tricks for beginners. And there we go. So that's a very good keyword to use. And there's a lot less competition. So possibly that might actually be something I add to this video. Let's click insert. And there we have it. We've inserted it into this video. So you can say this action insert into current video, and this down arrow, you can also say you can insert it into your list. I'll show you how to make a list, and you can add it to a topic planner. I haven't done much in topic planners, but I have used lists. So let's go back here. We're gonna get rid of all of our tags. And the reason why we're doing that is because when I have done something where I create lists. I have Pinterest tags and I have YouTube tags. If you want to create a new list, you click this new button. We're going to call this list Lovely. Click OK. And then I can just add this list. I think you're lovely. Hello there. Yes. Happy sunshine. So as you can see, I'm adding a bunch of tags here, and I can insert them to the current video, copy it to a clipboard, or remove it from this list. You would copy it to the clipboard if you want to put it in another video, but if it's on this list, you can just import this list by clicking insert, and there you go. And if I say, okay, I love that, but I also want to put my Pinterest tags in there as well, click that one and insert. One thing to note, you can only have 500 characters, and you can see it says here your tags exceed the allowed character count, which is fine. It was a test anyway. We're going to go ahead and click out of that, and now we are going to undo changes. There we go. So we're back to where we started. If you want to get started with TubeBuddy, go ahead and click the link in the description. It is free, and if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. I have a lot more awesome tips coming for you.